we've got the integral of secant to the 4th power x dx. And the first thing I'll do to kind of open this one up is I will change the way it's written to be the integral of secant squared x times secant squared x dx. And then I'll use a trig property to rewrite one of these as 1 plus tangent squared x in parentheses times secant squared x dx. From here, I'll let u equal tangent x, and the derivative of u, of course, is secant squared x dx. And so that allows us to rewrite this as the integral of 1 plus u squared du. And now we can integrate this, and when we do, we get the integral of 1 with respect to u is u, the integral of u squared is u to the 3rd power over 3, and our integral here doesn't have any bounds or limits, therefore we must add a constant at the end. Now, finally, we just need to substitute our u back in, so we've got the tangent x plus tangent cubed x over 3 plus c. And this is the final result of our integral. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope that you found this helpful.